Okay, Ms. McEnany, come back up and tell us about prohibited uses.
Hello again. Article 39 relates to prohibited uses. And this relates to the principal use regulations that are outlined in the zoning bylaw. This is merely a clarification on one aspect of the definition of prohibited uses, and it's to bring it in line with the way that this is interpreted right now by the folks in the town. So right now, prohibited uses incorporate a list of uses and items that are prohibited in the town, such as salvage yards, open-air storage of junk, mobile home park, billboards, slaughterhouse, and trailers. So this amendment clarifies what is meant by trailers. Or rather, it clarifies what is allowed for a trailer. It clarifies that the bylaw is not intended to prohibit parking of registered or otherwise lawful landscape trailer, camper trailer, horse trailer, or any kind of trailer that you're going to tow along. So if you want to haul your jet skis to the Cape, that would be fine. The prohibited use is meant to be limited to an unregistered trailer or something more like a mobile home, something that is being habitated on the property. So it's pretty straightforward. Are there any questions or comments on that?
And to clarify, you can have your fifth wheel mobile home trailer. It's just you can't live in it.
Thank you.
On the property. You can park it.
Hi, Jack Madigan, 215 Prairie Street. In terms of the trailer, it said it has to be a registered trailer. Had you thought of doing that within the last year, having it registered within the year? Because come the springtime, a lot of people we didn't get it on the road, there was something was going on, but I'm just saying, is there any thought to keeping it with regard to within a year or anything like that?
It does. It's a
I understand
valid
we don't want
registration.
storage. You know what I mean? I get that point.
Yeah.
Multiple years. It's been there 5 years. It's not moving. I get that. But I'm just saying, some trailers, the horse trailer is a good example. And yet the horses are down the Cape, and now they're going to go and get them, but they're going to register the trailer. It just seems that it could be a little bit easier on that.
I mean, the goal of this bylaw amendment is just to ensure that people aren't sanctioned if they happen to have a trailer, that they were planning to use. So I think what we don't often have a problem in town of abandoned trailers anymore. And so, what we're trying to do here is to at least clarify things so that that's not a problem. I think if we need to make further clarifications down the road, so to speak, we will, but I hope this covers it. I don't know. I mean, yeah, you can get very specific, but we talked about roadworthy, we talked about a few other qualifications, but I think what we ended up with was, let's just keep it simple here and see if we have any issues.
It's valid registration.
Yeah.
So it goes to the word valid.
Yeah. Okay.
Hi, Tanya Gillis, 62 Prescott Road. I don't have a trailer, but I was wondering if it is really lawful to tell somebody they can't use their registered trailer for what it was meant for. I mean, I'm assuming if somebody feels like sleeping in their car overnight for whatever reason, they won't come after them. So, I'm if it's a registered trailer, it's their property. They can use it any way they like. It seems to me.
Well, except for that, we have prohibitions against mobile homes in town, so you actually cannot. Yeah.
Okay.
And so that stood unchallenged for decades.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, there is one more. Yes, sir.
Stephen Crane, Town Manager. I actually just want to say thank you for the work you've done on all of the articles. It's a lot of effort and time and energy, and I know the support of Elizabeth and the other planning department folks. I know they try hard to support you, but it's not easy, and I just want to commend the creativity with which you've tried to approach these difficult problems.
Okay,